fx equals to under root 4 minus x square. Please try to find out the domain. डोमेन निकालिए. Put your answer in the chat box. I would like to see how you calculate the domain. Because these are basic questions that can be asked. Oh, I got one answer. 1,2. Okay, Wasim has given me answer 1,2. Okay. वसीम का आंसर है 1,2 इसकी डोमेन है. ओके. एनीवन एल्स? क्या होता है डोमेन का मतलब? डोमेन is the set of all values for which fx makes sense. Okay, Ankita is saying all the real numbers from 0 to 4. So Ankita has given me an answer. All real numbers from 0 to 4. Shamshur has given me an answer x less than equal to 2. Okay. Oh, so I've got different. Excellent. So Satviki is given me. So I've got a lot of answers. Okay, so I need to discuss this. So that means each one of you mostly has got different answers. One person has got close interval minus 2 to 2. One person is getting minus infinity to 2. Okay. Minus 2 comma 2. I hope when somebody says minus 2 comma 2, it means the close interval minus 2 comma 2. And I hope when Wasim said 1 comma 2, it means close interval 1 comma 2. I'm assuming that. If you differ, you can put your answer in the chat box. Oh God, that's really nice. I got so many answers. So let us make an attempt at this question. देखिए, डोमेन का साफ साफ मतलब है कि मेरा फंक्शन डिफाइंड होना चाहिए. अगर मैं बिल्कुल लेमैन की तरह बिल्कुल बेसिक्स पे स्टार्ट करूं, एफ एक्स ऐसे कर लिखेंगे, एफ एक्स इज डिफाइंड इफ अंडर रूट 4 minus x square is defined, okay, as square root of negative numbers do not exist. Hence, we must have 4 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. This implies that 4 has to be greater than or equal to x square. This implies that x square is less than or equal to 4. This implies that x square minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. This implies that x minus 2, x plus 2 is less than or equal to 0. So basically, what we do, if you do not know, सबसे पहले तो इसको 0 पे देखेंगे. x minus 2, x plus 2 equals to 0. So this will happen when x equals to 2 or minus 2. So we will mark minus 2 here. We will mark 2 here. Okay. Then we can see choose any number between minus 2 and 2. Suppose I choose 0. 0 minus 2, 0 plus 2. So 0 minus 2, 0 plus 2 is negative. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So therefore, minus 2 और 2 के बीच में negative sign आएगा. Here I will have positive. Here I will have positive. ये rule होता है. If I am able to write, some expression as a product of linear factors. Linear मतलब x की power 1 होनी चाहिए. And if I am able to sign, confirm the sign on one interval using any one point, then I can alternate the sign on intervals. Okay. So minus 2 और 2 के बीच में ये नेगेटिव है. सो और minus 2 और 2 इंक्लूडेड है बिकॉज ये लेस देन और इक्वल टू 0 है. So x belongs to the closed interval minus 2 to 2. So this is the domain. Okay. This is one way to find the domain. और अगर आप verbally भी इसको ऐसा करना चाहें, if it comes as a multiple choice question, so all of us knows that x square is less than or equal to 4 when x lies strictly between minus 2 and 2, including minus 2 and 2. Because if x goes beyond 2, for example 2.1, then 2.1 square is 4.41. If x is less than minus 2, so for example minus 3, then x square is 9. So this condition will be satisfied whenever x will be strictly inside the interval, closed interval minus 2 to 2.